Watermelon pink?
You gonna drive? By the time you come back, you can have a late lunch of salad niçoise. My beloved with her watermelon pink hair.
It's so weird.
Welcome to another installment of Buford and Sons, who include me, Bill Buford, our cinematographer, George Buford, whom you will never see, and our director, Frederick Buford, whom you'll probably see too much. Today, we are making a salad niçoise, a cold summer dish for a hot summer afternoon. A salad niçoise is a salad from Nice, in the south of France on the Mediterranean coast. It has all the hearty ingredients that you would expect to find this time of the year in August. They include new potatoes, ripe tomatoes, green beans. Traditionally, in the classic French preparation, there would be haricots verts, which are the refined, delicate green beans that you can get in France. If you're passing through Nice on your way to Italy, this is also what they eat in Liguria. Everybody has green beans, potatoes, and tomatoes in the summertime. This is the fundamental of the Mediterranean summer. The only thing you need are your pantry dishes: anchovies, olives, tuna, canned tuna. This from a very reputable maker. All the tuna is pole and line caught carefully, not part of the industrial effort to exterminate the fish. Eggs, herbs.
I'm sorry?
Eggs, herbs.
No. Herb what?
Eggs, parsley, dill, basil. We're going to prepare each item individually. Each item has its own way of being prepared. I'm preparing my green beans by plucking off the ends, thus, rather than with a knife on a cutting board. There's a word for this in French, effilé, but they
I have
all...
to apologize to the viewers. This is so boring. I'm so sorry.
I got a lot of beans to pluck. Step number one, cooking the potatoes in water. We start from cold, and we're going to bring the potatoes, bring it to a boil, lower the boil to a simmer for 20-25 minutes. Testing the potatoes for doneness. Excellent. Chill them. So here we peel off the potato. I admit I overcooked these a couple minutes, and it makes it a little trickier to pull the skin of the potato peeled.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
The next item in our preparation are the eggs. The eggs are like a 19th century feature. I don't know how many people really decorate their dishes with eggs anymore. This dish was codified, made part of the classic repertoire by Auguste...
Repertoire.
Repertoire by Auguste Escoffier, is the great cataloger of all French dishes. He was born near Nice. And as it happens, his first restaurant job at the age of 13 was working for his uncle in Nice. The guy knew what he was talking about.
We just want to know how to make eggs.
And what he would do is he would hard boil these eggs. What we're going to do is we're going to try to soft boil them. Everybody has their way of making what I hope will turn out to be a soft boiled egg. I always warm it up in water so the egg is close to room temperature. And then I put them in the water. This is a little warm already, but it's not going to break the egg. This is a slightly embarrassing shot because it has bits of potato in the water, because this is the water that I cooked the potatoes with. But since it's an egg, it's not really going to matter, is it? The moment the eggs are boiling, you can hear it. I turn them off. I put on my stopwatch, 4 minutes, and immediately ice them into ice water to stop them cooking. And we hope they're not hard-boiled. The last ingredient that needs cooking. We've done the potatoes, we've done the eggs, now we have the green beans. Woo! One of the essential elements of the dish. If you don't have green beans, don't do the dish.
Who cares? No green beans, no dish.
And into the hot water.
Woo!
Boiling already.
So exciting.
It goes 3 bunches. Maybe I bring it to a boil and drop them into ice water. And now we get to our pantry items. I'll decant them. Then we mix all our ingredients together. Yes, of course you can make a salad niçoise with fresh tuna. Who wouldn't? I mean, it sounds delicious, except somehow it violates the principle of the dish. The dish is summer fresh and pantry items.
That's nasty.
It's delicious.
That's gross looking.
Next are anchovies.
Please don't make that sound. That's really weird.
There are those who don't love anchovies, and then there's the rest of the world. Yum! Now I'm making my vinaigrette. An interesting thing about the obsessives in Nice in relation to this dish is that they regard vinegar as extra, not necessary at all. Olive oil, essential. 6 spoonfuls of olive oil, that the good people of Nice regard as completely optional. But I like the bite. A little more than 2 spoonfuls. Next, just a little bit of mustard, a little bit of garlic, salt, pepper, and whisk. Finally, after all the boiling and icing, and boiling and icing, and boiling and icing, and plucking and slicing, finally, it's the time to assemble our salad niçoise.
I'm so scared of you right now. This is terrifying.
First, we prepare the platter with a slice of garlic, a little bit of mesclun as the base. I'll throw in a couple basil leaves as well. Our green beans, our tuna, our anchovies, our potatoes, completely unnecessary dated but rather nicely boiled eggs, our olives, our tomatoes. I'm going to be reckless and add some capers, basil, parsley.
It smells delicious.
It does, doesn't it? Our vinaigrette.
It smells like summer.
It smells like summer. A little bit of ground pepper. Voila! Voila ici, la salade niçoise. A salad niçoise, the taste of summer. A cold dish on a hot afternoon full of vibrant, good food. Jess, what are we drinking?
I think most people who are eating a salade niçoise in the south of France or anywhere want a nice cold glass of rosé, probably from Provence, but there's none in our neighborhood that I like from Provence, so I thought we could try this Terra Santa from Corsica. I've never tried it before, but it's only $10. It's a nice color, right? I like it.
Sorry, I just went straight to the glass. It's delicious.
Okay, great, but can we eat it? Please? Thank you.